Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. If I seem a little sweaty, it's because the lighting is so bright when I'm filming that I'm basically boiling right now. But anyways, today I wanted to share with you an egg lasagna recipe. Instead of using noodles, we're just going to cook some eggs really thinly, almost like a crepe, and we're going to layer them like a lasagna, and it's delicious. Did I say it's delicious? Because it is. It's easy. I know it's a little bit time consuming, but don't get confused between time consuming and difficult, because they're two different things. This does take a little bit of time, but it's super easy. So I just want to share it with you. I know you guys are going to love this one. This was such a hit in my household that we made it 2 nights in a row. So if you want to see how it comes together, just keep watching.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive